DMS Metering Solutions invites you to our lunch and learn sessions, a perfect mix of learning, networking, and a complimentary lunch. What to expect? Gain expert insights on heat, water, and gas metering solutions, safety and control systems for water and gas, data collection using Elvaco devices. These hands-on informal sessions combine technical expertise with real-world applications. Topics include Sontex energy meters overview, installation tips for peak performance, remote reading technologies like LoRaWAN, M-Bus and wireless M-Bus, billing and data strategies. Sessions are customizable to address your specific business needs. At DMS, we're committed to empowering your professional growth through education and innovation. Register now at dmsltd.com or contact us at 01773534555. Join us to enhance your expertise and stay ahead in the industry.